See, basically, as we all know these days, spa and salon has become a luxury. So, and also it's a good investment. So, in terms of hospitality, we have been into hospitality. As I said, we have brought everything under one roof, which is like we've got tattoos here, which is Ink and Tattoo Studio, one of the reputed brands, right? And it has also come in HTCT e-papers last year in 2012, amongst Delhi's one of the finest tattoo studios. And we also have nail section here, which is for female clients for nail extensions, which is very popular these days. Also for hair, we have got everything here. We do extensions here, we do color, we do every kind of chemical work, and also head massages, foot massages. We have got separate section for hair spas, and a rebonding for chemical work, so that people who are coming here for the haircuts and all, because chemical smells are like really high, so that they don't get troubled. So we have got the ventilation facility, so that in a special room it's done and people do not get troubled. So, and also we have a spa section, body spas and all. It's class A, means it's a German word which is class. Exclusive, see, though we keep getting, like, the place where we are, we keep getting a lot of promotion, like people who are into promotions, as to promote our business. But like, as we are class A and with our name, we also want something which is class service. So with exclusive, it's like, the services that we're getting, for example, the records of the clients that we can get, no matter how old the client is, number of visits that he has paid, and the promotions that you can do through class exclusive is very good. And it's like one click away. You need to put in the details, maybe the name or phone number, and you get all the track records of the clients. One of the benefits that we have is, like, with exclusive, we are able to even send the birthday and their all anniversary wishes to them. So, which also gives a personal touch to the clients. The only thing that I would say, which I believe in, sincerity, hard work, and if you're working with something, work with utmost dedication. If you're true to your clients, if you're true to your people, then everything is possible. It takes time. Patience is one thing which is required for every business. But if you're true to your clients, or true to your people, or true to whosoever you're catering to, you will definitely achieve your goal.